Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been following me and looking at the videos that I've been posting on my channel in order to help you become a holistic communicator. If you've not done so, I would request you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you always get to know when is an upcoming video coming in so that I'm able to share value with you. If you like the videos that I've been sharing on my channel, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to comment on those videos, please go ahead and do that. And if you want to share those videos to your friends, colleagues, or within your network, please feel free to do that. So without further ado, let's come to today's video and what I'm going to be talking about in today's video per se. So today I'm going to talk about another important skill that you need to have as far as your communication journey goes. And I'm going to be talking about resonation skills. Let's move. So we're going to be talking about resonation today. Well, what is resonation to start with? Simply put, it is state of resonating. Whether it's evoking images, memories, or emotions, that's what resonation is all about. Have you really resonated ever? Well, as a speaker or a communicator, if you're able to connect with your audience at a deeper emotional state, only then you can say that you have resonated with your target audiences. And that's what resonation actually is supposed to do. Look at these brands. When you look at brands like Nike, Adidas, Mercedes-Benz, or Emirates, all of these brands resonate with us as customers, as consumers, right? There is a certain brand value which is attached to each and every of this brand, which is right now on your screen. Now, for you as a communicator, you need to resonate well with your target audiences. So consider yourself as one of these brands. And then you need to put on the lens that how you can resonate with your specific target audiences. A question will be in your mind that why to resonate? Why is it important that I should resonate as a communicator? Simple. You want your target audience to act, whether your target audience comprises of recruiters, hiring managers, your colleagues, your bosses, your customers, consumers, or any other stakeholder per se with whom you interact with on a daily basis. You need to resonate with one or all of these at any given point in time. And what is the action that you want each of these to take? Well, let's look at that. You want recruiters to shortlist you. You want hiring managers to take your interview. You want them to offer you a role. You want them to let you work on a specific project. You want your bosses to go ahead and approve your budgets. You want your customers or consumers to buy your product or service. You want your managers or bosses to go ahead and promote you. So there are a lot of actions that you want your target audiences to take. And that is the reason that you would want to resonate with one or all of these. Now let's talk about what are the benefits. What are the benefits that you're going to be deriving if you resonate well with your target audiences? Well, resonation helps you connect emotionally with your target audiences from an emotional aspect. It helps you learn more about your specific target audiences before you act to connect with them. It also helps you focus on how your value systems align with the goals of the target audiences that you want to connect with, communicate with. Another benefit of resonating well is it enables you to pick a message and stay consistent with that message. You remember I showed you certain brands on your screen right now. All of these, if you look at all of these brands, They have a specific message and they are consistent with that message. That is the reason they resonate well. Last but not the least, resonation helps you gain, develop, and strengthen trust with your target audiences. That is very, very important. Now you would be thinking that how do I do it? How do you go ahead and resonate with your target audiences? Well, this is a list of certain best practices that you can follow, right? First of all, communicate what your target audience wants to hear and make it about them and not you. That is one of the biggest points of resonation. It has to be about your target audience, is about them and not about you. Second, you need to establish thought leadership. How you're going to establish that thought leadership is write books, write articles, publish blogs, write blogs and publish blogs, have publications on your name. That is where you will resonate with your target audience as a thought leader. Last, you need to focus on future trends in your address to the target audiences. Your target audiences will look at you and resonate with you well if you talk about futuristic perspectives, future trends, future perspectives per se. Ideally, try to elicit an aha moment. How you can do that is weave a great story around what you're trying to talk to them about. And then focus on solving problems for your target audiences. Deliver value and service together. So you have to deliver a combination of value and service to your target audiences, which will enable them to resonate with you and you to resonate with them. I just have this in today's video to talk to you about. I would go ahead and request you, if you've not done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so that whenever I come up with a new video, you get notified before that. If you like my videos, go ahead and like them. If you want to comment on my videos, please feel free to do so. And if you want to share my channel or my videos with your network, please go ahead and do that. Till next time, keep on practicing on your communication skills, keep on honing your communication skills. Take care and see you soon.